getting prepped to bring the cows home. Start up the old Ranger and put out some hay so when we bring them home they have something to eat. Who's the dickhead who parked that there? Buster. He's an asshole. That's Bunny. She's a sweetheart.
Well, be a tour. Sorry.
Gotta get the snow out of their hooves. Gonna pull the shoe off so it doesn't ball.
Well, it's been a long time since you've had to use that stance, isn't it?
I saw them last.
Must have a good farrier.
Well, at least you knew it wasn't going to come off very easy.
That'll feel better, won't it? Oh, I need
Only had one on?
He lost it. I just wanted to have, so at least he's got his. Because that barefoot will clean out better than.
One with the shoe.
Because that other one just, see how it just knocked right out of there?
Mm-hmm.
This one was froze into that shoe. That's not good for this meat. First time you guys loading this trailer.
Yeah, we just bought this trailer. I went through and did all the hubs and a bunch of wiring on it. It's good as new.
You better come back here so you can see them. That's the first time we had horses in it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all a full load of cattle before it saw any horses.
I can't open the door.
Oh. Don't scare the ornery shit. Come on, buddy. Here we go. Hope you guys have a good ride. I don't think they crossed there. Did they come up here? I think they went that way, Dad. And they crossed back there somewhere. Oh, that's lovely.
They've been crossing down through there.
Well, it looks like they kind of have been. At one point or something has been.
Come on, girls, go down there. I'm gonna go down and see if I ain't right over here.
Whoa.
Your body, horse.
You watch that ice.
Yeah, I don't think they go down across right there.
Yeah.
I just don't know if I will. Looks like they've been. This trail here.
through here and really wet. I gotta watch where we take the cows, but Dad knows it better than me around here. We are trained professionals. Do not try this at home. Hip, cow, hip. Go on, cow, hip, hip. Oh, that works. Healthy looking cows. And heifers. Red tags are heifers. Easy, girls. Yeah, it's solid enough for them to cross anyway. It looks kind of slick in that spot, but they're doing fine. No pushing, no shoving.
Goddamn me.
Next time you should have me get out there and do that.
Well, I wanted to look to see if I really didn't think they'd cross that.
Me neither. I thought they were going to go straight across. Of course they would. Okay.
Thank you.
He's more talented on a horse than I am. But he doesn't want to ride on it either. Over there is our destination. Guys are like, what kind of horse are you? You never heard that before, Bunny, did you? She didn't know what to think of that. Don't quit. Come on, Bunny.
Fucking knock it off.
Oh, they thought we were going to cut through.
You might have been right. You might have.
I thought we did one time, cut them through there. I don't know why we did, but we did. Oh, I think it was because the bulls.
Oh.
Those bulls were over here, and they were hanging down in those trees, so we cut them across. Now we're almost to the bridge. Dad got in front of them so we can cut them into the TA so we can take them down to the corrals we were at yesterday so we can get set up to vaccinate, and then we'll haul them home. All 33. It'll take about 3 trips, 2 pickups. You can hear that. That's Mom following us in the blue Dodge and trailer. They're in an awful big hurry today. My dad got in front of him when he did. Come on, cows. Come on, cows.
Fucking ass around, Lord. stuck to the fucking ground.
Yeah, they do. Hip! Hip! Go on, Hip! Hip! Are we pushing them into the alley or just into here?
Just shut the gate on them here, Dave.
Okay.
Right there.
Come on. Come on, boot. Yeah, I don't know what she was doing. Go, Bear. I'm trying. Whoa, Mare. Come on, Buster. Come on, Buster. Come on, you asshole. Let's go. Whoa, Mare. That's a lot deeper than I thought it was. Yep. Oh, he dropped his rein, Mom. Can you hand it to me? Or probably if you would have stayed back and waited for us to get those cows down the way and then hit that, you probably would have made it through there.
Probably.
Can you hand me his other rein, please? It fell on the ground.
I'm behind you, so don't be silly. You want right there where I told you not to go. Well, it's all right. It all looks okay.
Well, like I said, probably if you would have stayed back a little bit and let us get him down, if you would have hit that a little faster, you probably would have made it through just fine.
Yeah, I was that close with my back tire. One back tire. Okay.
Huh?
This way is around the other side.
Yeah, it is. I didn't think it was that deep on that side.
I thought this was the deepest down there.
Yeah, oh well.
Yeah.
We weren't stuck that bad that we needed to get drastic with it. So, it's fine. It is what it is.